We started walking at around 3:15. Then we slept. That took the ETA to 5 p.m. Then we had to take a break because of the sun. That's taken the ETA to 10 p.m. We just crossed the village of Kawad Dara, and yet again now we are entering this large expanse of open wide fields. I have asked Ajinkya to go a little further, say about 2 to 3 kilometers, and look for a large enough tree for us to take refuge under for the next 3 hours or so. So it's about 11 now. It will be in our best interest to take refuge under a large tree, enjoy the shade, and allow a few hours to pass by. Didn't realize as the road kept winding up and down that we had reached atop this small hill, collection of hills all around, crossing this village called Sakur Fata, and looks like Ajinkya has spotted a place for us to rest a little ahead. Good breeze and shade would do the magic for us. Looks like I've reached the place. Vikas just hinted to me that Ajinkya has found a place for us to rest. Yes, and this is in an open ground. Just have a look. There's a place. Beneath a tree there, we're going to rest. We stopped about 3-4 kilometers before this place, and we hunted this for food. We just finished our lunch. I'm having just dal khichdi, aloo ka sabji. I had one roti. This is a roadside dhaba, of course. Sitting on a khatia and enjoying the lunch. It's again very hot. I also took a nap before the food arrived. Once we finish, maybe the 1.5 hours of rest, and then we may make the decision of beginning to walk again. Everyone's tired. I was recording this on the GoPro, but it's so hot here that the GoPro, which is not even in a waterproof encasement, it's open actually. The GoPro started overheating. I think a last portion of what I was recording did not probably get recorded, and the camera shut down. We are into the last leg of today's walk, which should in total be of about 27 kilometers. We would have done about 3 to 3.5 kilometers till now. That means another 23 kilometers to go. We've started walking. We're looking straight ahead. I hope we get the wherewithal to reach the intended destination point. Now it's beginning to get pleasant. Surya Devata ne to hame almost jala hi diya tha. Lovely fields, modern agriculture being implemented in some of the places, partially mechanized. Acha lagta hai ye sab dekhne. It will soon be dusk. My ETA to Sinnar is about 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. We started walking at around 3:15. So at that time the ETA was 2 p.m. Then we slept. That took the ETA to 5 p.m. Then we had to take a break because of the sun. That's taken the ETA to 10 p.m. This one here, behind there, seems to be cabbage. And the same growing there on the other side. Many such big, beautiful nurseries all along the route. They call themselves high-tech nursery, and they seem to be propagating different kinds of vegetable seedlings which they offer for sale. Just a short distance behind, I saw this guy by the side of the road who looked a little unwell and was puking. I went up to him and inquired whether he was okay. Found out that he was actually drunk. Like, अरे कुछ नहीं, मैं ठीक है एकदम. मीन्स ही इज राइडिंग वाइल बीइंग ड्रंक. बढ़िया है. बाय द वे उसी ने मेरे को अभी बाय बोला. वाह, फैंटास्टिक. एंड देर आर क्वाइट अ नंबर ऑफ स्टूपिड पीपल अबाउंडिंग अर्थ. नाइस. दे ॲड दॅट नीडेड व्हरायटी. एक माणूस भेटला रे, बाईक लावून रोडच्या साईडला उभा राहून उलटी करत होता. मी असं त्याला विचारलं गेलो की काय झालं की काय, मी मदत करू की काय. मला सांगतोय न ठीक आहे, मग ठीक आहे. डॅम इट. टर्न्ड आउट द पगल वाज ड्रंक. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज आय वॉक्ड अ लिटल अहेड अगेन. आणि हा परत बाईक घेऊन साईडने पुढे जाताना मला थँक्यू बाय म्हणतोय. सिरियसली यार, दिस वर्ल्ड इज नॉट शॉर्ट ऑफ इडियट्स. Going to be nightfall and I have my light back. I need to walk 3 hours more. I want to traverse this distance. I want to cross this distance as swiftly as possible. I'm not walking fast, but I'm walking in my natural speed. I just hope to keep it that way without losing strength and energy.